Hello, today we're taking a look at ABC Learning Games for Kids. This is a great application in the Google Play Store that is a great way to teach your kids about the alphabet, whether they're in preschool, kindergarten. They can learn through multiple games and features implemented into the app here. So they can read A through Z, they can go through the ABC phonic, the animal sounds, learn to write, fill colors, and many, many more things that we're going to go through here in these little 6 buttons on the main menu. So you can see I can click Read A to Z here, and you see I have letters, phonics, and animals, which I can show an example for each one. You have
Little
F,
f.
for example. This one just plays the letters. It shows you the uppercase F and the lowercase f. If I hit next,
G.
jump onto the next letter. So
Little
you get not only visual feedback, but as well as audible feedback, telling you the letter here. If I go back here, we can see they have phonics here, which is another fun one here. It shows you G
is
for grapes. And then it shows you an actual animation for that word there. So again, H, the letter,
H
and then
is
it
for
associates a
horse.
word that is associated with that letter, and then the animation, again, easy to see right there. Animals is a really fun one as well, because this has
antelope.
animals and their own really fun animations here. So antelope, bull,
C for
camel,
D for
deer.
deer.
And what's cool about this, if you click on the animal, you just tap on them there, you hear the sound from the deer. And you can do this as well. So it's a great way to associate animals with the letters and words as well. All right, so that is the first one, reading A through Z. Next, you have the ability to learn to write the letters here. So you can go ahead and hit
Trace
learn
the
to
big
write.
letters.
And you have the stroke pattern here. So you have 1, and you just follow this along. You can tap and drag. 2 and 3. And you can see you fill out the patterns here. For B, you go once. And you can see you just follow it on the right there. Really great way for your kids to learn this. And the same thing around here.
B.
I'll hit next. And then the same thing for C here. I can
C.
fill that out as well. So again, really, really great way to learn to write that. But you also have the ability to fill the color. Again, the same thing. You just follow the patterns here and fill in the letter, for this case, the uppercase A. So that's learn to write. And we're going to go back to the main menu. Next up, you have pattern. This has dots
the
and
dots
sequences.
to see
So I can click on any of these little things right here. And you can see from here, we can go ahead and jump in. And you'd follow the letters. Basically, this works. So you would go through, you go from G, and you go to the corresponding letter that's next in the alphabet. So you go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, so you want to click on H, and then you want to go I, J, K, L, and then you fill
Perfect.
out the little picture right there, and you can see in this case it's a nice little airplane. Going back, you
Drag
have
and drop the
sequences here,
letters
and you
to
would have to
complete
fill
the
this in
pattern.
based off of the alphabet as well. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Great.
J, K, and it would tell you if you're correct or incorrect in this case, and then you can move on to the next puzzle there. And speaking of puzzles here, you actually have a puzzle mode down here. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. Before that, though, we have find the correct image.
Find the
This allows
object
us
that
to
starts with
associate
the
the letter here. So you have
A.
A, then you want to find the item that corresponds to that. In this case,
Good
apple.
job.
A
Next one would
is
be,
for apple.
let's go ahead and jump into B here. So you have apple again, just showing you this one. You can jump to the next one, B for an actual B.
Perfect.
And then that's how this game
B
goes about
is
here.
for B.
Now you have puzzle here. So let's go into puzzle.
Now we are going
And
to
puzzle
practice
just
letter
allows you to put
shapes.
the letters
Go ahead and
together,
put the letters
actually using these little
together.
pieces that are constructed on the map to construct the full
Good
letter here. So you
thinking.
take it and piece by piece, put together the letter that is, again, in this case, B. All right,
Good
so let's go back to
job.
the main menu. Let's hit next and go back to the main menu. And last but not least, you have the ABC quiz here. If I click on this, you can go into the
Drag
quiz
and
mode.
drop
And the way this works is it gives you a whole bunch of letters, and you have to make a word out of these letters. So in this case, you have the letters here, and you have to see where it fits, in this case, to fill the word that you're trying to fit here. And you can see through trial and error, you can kind of mix these letters around here. In this case, the word is camel. So you can go ahead and put camel, and then
Camel.
you're correct,
That's
and you can
correct.
move on to the next word. So it's a fun little quiz. Again, in this case, it looks like it's elephant. So you just fill it in appropriately. Overall, the games are really educational, really simple to use, and has over 6 features for you here to jump into and teach your kids and have them learn in a variety of ways, both audibly and visually. ABC Learning Games for Kids is free and available in the Google Play Store today.